mad. These gusts are crazy. All right, hello and welcome to yet another beautiful day out here on Barkal. It's pretty bloody smoky out here. We did burn like a week ago, 5 or 6 days ago, and somewhere in there, that's what we think, because I came here today and it was just a bit smoky, and after 10 minutes of me coming here, some crazy gusts came through and I just heard the crackling, and that was it. It moved all the way down and around the shed. So pretty lucky we came out here today. Keep an eye on it, keep it all controlled. So we established a little firewall around the shed. We made sure it's gonna burn off all properly, doesn't get anywhere near it. So all we can do is pretty much just keep it away from the shed, make sure it doesn't get anywhere near it, or at least burn everything off around it. And Jesus, rake it all off around it and let these little grass fires burn off, and yeah, keep it all controlled and nice and tidy. Definitely looks cool, post-apocalyptic, especially with our shed. So, and here we are again, 3 days after the burn. I got so carried away with all those smoke and fire going on, and me and Sam just running around and taking care and trying to keep it as safe as possible, that I forgot what I actually wanted to talk about, which is those big posts and logs, which is going to be our storage for our boards and beams, just all the wood we're cutting. Finally cutting some logs again. So me and Sam put the mill the other day back in position, back in place, and we secured all our legs on the top of the roof. Since our sawmill is permanently located in our sawmill shed, we can do that kind of stuff. It looks very nice, it's out of the way, it's pretty good, very handy to have them up there. And the middle post we just connected with one of those pole clamps, not going anywhere. Yeah, that's exciting. Anyway, enjoy the show, enjoy watching how we put up our storage system, and after that I will show you how we cut up some logs today and storing our beautiful cut timber. Can't wait, that thing is just chock-a-block full of hardwood, all strapped in. All right. Ew. Henry. Yeah. I'll see if that goes.
And no, it won't be, it's not down from 150, it'll be
What? Left 150.
so really here.
Oh yeah, shot. Good. Good.
too far. So
Too far that way?
Too far that way.
Yeah.
Yep. Out of the way, Henry. Move, move, move. Out. Beautiful.
Sweet. Not easy. It's never easy. That's why me and Sam are doing it. Yeah. Otherwise anyone would do it. Well done. Just over at the log dump. While I'm waiting for Sam, I'm sussing out some logs like this beauty. They're not huge, but they're for free, so we take what we can. Yeah, look at all that wood. Just need someone to pull it all out and process it. And that's us anyway. I reckon that would be nice to cut. Let's get cutting. Close running! Time lapse time! Cut my blocks. pile. Happy we got a lot of 150s out of that one.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 boards, 150.